very satisfying. And the allotments will be growing furiously. We did promise you beach weather. We haven't forgotten. Tuesday was always going to be a blip, and it does look disappointing in Plymouth, for example. But around the edges, even in southwest England, where this moist air abuts the coasts and the moors, there are holes in the cloud and the sun should shine through. But it's going to be a fairly rare sight. Most of England, Wales and a good part of Scotland and Northern Ireland is covered in cloud. Admittedly not East Anglia, and Caithness has had a gorgeous day so far, but that's the forecast for the afternoon. Where the sun does shine through, we'll probably tip 21 degrees just about, but more likely it's 16, 17 or 18, which without any significant wind actually feels quite nice. But when exactly can we bring in the warm sunshine? Soon. We have got the high pressure over us. It will be the dominant feature for England and Wales, but this low over here, which is affecting Northern Ireland and Scotland for the next 3 days, will take until the end of Thursday to be off the coast of Norway. But by the time it's done that, things ought to improve for the whole of the UK. The winds are light for everyone, except while that low's close by. And anyway, they're always from a warm south or even easterly direction, which means temperatures will rise. Little wind will keep it cool, and eventually by the end of Friday, the heat's right up into Scotland and Northern Ireland, most places away from the coast, where there'll be sea breezes, into the low or even the mid-20s. So it's on its way. But we still have to get through tonight and tomorrow, and rather more days for Northern Ireland and Scotland. A disappointingly cloudy night, rain running up through Northern Ireland and Scotland again, and throughout most of tomorrow it'll be eastern Scotland and Northern Ireland where that rain is in and out. And although it'll start grey and cloudy for England and Wales, much better promise of sunshine breaking through here during tomorrow afternoon. And that sunshine will prompt the temperatures to rise. We should be into the low 20s for many, many places. Coast, of course, cooler. Cloudy areas, of course, cooler. Now, I mentioned that it's Thursday before things improve. Thursday may well start cloudy in Northern Ireland and a good part of Scotland, but I think the afternoon will see sunny intervals running in here, southern Scotland and Northern Ireland. We're up to the 25 mark, roughly speaking, somewhere in central England. Of course, if you don't like this and the increasing heat, the sea breezes will keep pollen counts down. They will also keep the heat away. But there is the promised summer as it moves north. By Friday, it should have reached a good part of Scotland, virtually nowhere then will be suffering from the persistent cloud, except maybe the Northern Isles. By this time, there's a greater, but only slight, chance of some showers breaking out, let's say, in Northern Ireland or maybe in Western England. And the weekend may be a little bit more showery. But most definitely, this looks a lot more summery than we have at the moment, does it not, Anna?